Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a Victoria's Secret Camo-Inspired nails, pink theme colored. And I'm starting off with clean nails. Have a base coat on there. And for the thumb, it's going to be a full camo effect. So the first coat that I'm applying right now is Pure Ice nail polish, and it is called Satin Ribbon. I'm going to apply 2 coats to this one nail and then thoroughly let that dry. So now I'm starting with the camo effect on my thumb. This color that I'm using is by Sally Hansen, Hardest Nails. It's called Tutti Frutti Frost. And there's no particular technique that I'm using. I'm just randomly putting the colors on my nails. I'm currently using a dotting tool, but if you don't have a dotting tool, you can use whatever you have available at home. You can use a toothpick. You can even use a hairpin or a detailed nail brush if you have it. And like I said, I'm just randomly putting the colors on my nail to get an effect that I like. Alright, so now I'm getting ready to apply the second color in the camo effect. And this one is also by Sally Hansen, and it's called Bubblegum Pink. And once again, I'm just going to randomly place the color on my nail to get the effect that I want. Now I'm using Wet n Wild in the color of Black Cream. So this is going to be my third color in the camo design that I'm doing. And I'm just going to put that in different spots on my nail to accent the effect that I want. Alright, now that the thumb is completely dry, I'm going to be adding a quick dry top coat, and then this nail is going to be finished. Alright, so now I'm going to be working on my ring finger and my pointer finger. And the look that I'm going for on these two fingers is a camo French tip effect. And I'm going to be using the same colors that I used on my thumb. Alright, so now that those nails has had the opportunity to dry, I'm going to go over the entire nail with the Pure Ice satin ribbon, and I'm also going to clean up the edges so that it looks nice and neat. And now I'm going to be going over the entire nail with a quick dry top coat. And once that's completely dry, those nails are now going to be complete. Alright, now I'm going on my middle finger. I already have one coat of the Tutti Frutti Frost on there, so I'm going to be applying the second coat and allow that to dry. And then you want to clean up the edges around your nails once again, and you'll see that I'm going to be going over that nail with my cleanup brush dipped in nail polish remover to make the edges nice and neat. Now I'm going to be applying my second coat of the Bubblegum Pink on my pinky. Allow that to also dry and clean up the edges if necessary. Alright, so now I'm going to be using this stamping plate that I got from Mundo de Unas, and it's a Victoria's Secret themed stamping plate, and I'm using a white stamping polish. I'm not exactly sure the name of the company, but that's what I'm going to be using to put the images on my nails. And once again, going to be applying the quick drying top coat and let the nail completely dry. Alright, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys can see the effect that I was going for. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And once again, thank you for watching.